Hey guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Andrew, and today we're going to be talking about a tool called Google Classroom. What with most schools going online to start this school year, a lot of school districts have struggled with finding solutions to cope with the change. Google Classroom is a tool that helps students and teachers organize assignments, boost collaboration, and foster better communication. While Classroom isn't too complicated, some might still struggle with its features. In this video, I'll go over the tool from the perspectives of both students as well as teachers. I'll post timestamps below for each topic. Without further ado, let's get started. So here we are. This is the main screen that's available for the student view. If you press the plus sign right here, it allows you to either join a class or create a class. Because you're a student, you're going to want to press join class. Now, depending on your teacher, they should either have sent you a class code or an email for the class code. And if you had the class code, then you would type it in right here. That's an example. I already have a class set up here, so I'm not going to do that. We've got a few things to look at over here. First is going to be the hamburger menu. This gives you this tab here that shows you this set of views. The hamburger menu here allows you to go home to your set of classes, lets you open your calendar to see if you have any assignments that might be due anytime soon, shows you a to-do list for some activities that you might have in a given class, allows you to enter each specific class that you already have, and shows you some archive classes as well as some of the settings that are available to you. Setting gives you a list of notifications that you can choose to turn on depending on the situation. For some people, they don't like getting too many notifications, so they would turn a lot of these settings off. However, if you like being on top and getting in the know, I guess, about your current class, then that would be something that you would want to turn on. Now, going back home, again, you would press classes. Then you'd see each of your classes right here. In this case, we only have one. So again, you can see right here, before you even go inside the class, you can see the class name, the teacher, in this case, it's me. This three-dot menu right here give you the options to unenroll in the class, hopefully once you're done. There are two buttons right here in the lower right corner. One of them is this Open Your Work for Foundations in Mathematics. Using this button right here, you will actually get to see the list of homework that you've been assigned, as well as the homework that's been already graded for you. So then the second button right here opens the classroom folder for this specific class. In it will show you your materials only. So in this case, you have your homework right here that you have submitted already. Within this classroom shared folder as well, you might even see other materials that your teacher has assigned to you, such as reading materials or quizzes or handouts. And now that we've gone over the home screen, let's go dive into the classroom and see what's in there for us to explore. So here we are in the classroom view. This is what they call the stream. You can see, in fact, three tabs here: Stream, Classwork, and People. If you're familiar with social media apps such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, then you should be rather familiar with how the outline of the stream looks. It's kind of similar to those feeds and timelines on social media pages. It shows what's happening in the class. For example, right here, you see that the teacher just posted new material, posted a question for discussion. You can see even other student comments right here. Essentially, the stream is your home base to get a quick overview of what is happening in the classroom. Depending on your teacher's settings, you can even create your own post right here, such as, I really don't like math, but am excited to learn still this year. Post. And once that is posted, then all your classmates will be able to see what you posted. keep in mind that the teacher will have rules regarding what you can or can't post, and this is a public setting, a classroom setting, so please keep it classy. If you were given the option, you could even add in additional files here, such as something to link from your Google Drive, an actual URL link. Maybe you want to upload a file from your computer, or a YouTube link. For example, and I don't know why you would want to share this in a math class, but who knows? If you wanted to share with your class, check out these cute dogs, and you would copy the link, you would add the YouTube video, post the URL, and you would be able to share the post with your class just like that. And now all your classmates will be able to see these cute dogs once they log on the stream. Now, if your teacher has posted deadlines for homeworks, you should also see this upcoming tab here, which will show you upcoming work. It's pretty intuitive. Now that we're done with the stream section, let's head into Classwork and see what other features they've got there. Classwork offers an itemized list of content that your teacher has shared with you guys. In this example, I see it's organized into chapters as well as the topics. Within the topics, you can see the assignments given to you by the teacher. The View Your Work tab allows you to see which assignment you have and its status. For example, right here you have homework 1. Looks like you've got 2 attachments to it. This was due a couple weeks ago, and you were given back your grade right here. Your assignments are organized as cards, such as this one right here. The top panel of the card shows you the assignment, the due date right here, as well as some options. In this middle section right here, you'll see the attachments that you put into your work, as well as the status. In this case, it's graded. In other cases, this could just say assigned if you haven't worked on it yet, or it could say turned in once you have submitted the assignment. By clicking View Assignment right here, this will show you the details of the homework. In this case, it's fairly simple. The instructions will usually end up right here. In this case, it just says complete the worksheet. It will then show the materials that's been provided by the teacher. You can also include class comments right here, or if you have questions that you wanted to ask your teacher, then you can put comments right here. For example, if you just wanted to ask, what is the trick for question 7, then you can submit that right there. And in that case, only you and your teacher should be able to see that. Lastly, once your teacher has graded your assignment, then you should see the grade right here. Now that we're back in the main Classwork page, similar to earlier, you can also have access to the Google Calendar for your class here, as well as the Class Drive folder. If you guys wanted help on how to set up a Google Calendar or the Google Drive folder, then please drop a question in the comments and I'll make sure to get to that when I can. Now, if you're a student, there's one last tab that's of interest to you, which is the People tab, and it's very, very simple. This tab will list the teachers that you have, as well as your classmates. Now that we've gone over those 3 tabs, that's practically it if you're a student. Anyways, if you've gotten to this point, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. It's going to be tough adjusting to this new school year, but just hang in there. You guys have got it, and there's still going to be a lot of learning opportunities to be had. And so, once again, I'm Andrew. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.